what I say? What your baseline is that? Yeah, I said them probably halter the number.
No, may I say what I'm saying is probably back in our days, it did lower.
It probably did lower. Who never knew about that? So that 34 years until now, statistics shows that it is the first in history
All right, sir.
that it has been this low, dog.
I'm
And the
glad,
man
me
need
glad,
the
me glad, me
applaud,
glad,
bro.
because a lot of people
You
in
see
the
me?
diaspora, bro, a lot of people don't want to go back to Jamaica because of the
crime
you
rate,
see me?
bro. So I may try to show you, dog, you have to applaud those things, dog. And
True.
even if it not that much significant as where them put it,
No, man, listen.
it's still worth
Listen.
highlighting and it's still worth applauding.
True.
You see me?
I
But
wickedest thing, man.
yeah, dog, one of the worst things we
you
have
have
bring
your,
down
you have your
Jamaica.
kids, them, even if you go to Jamaica, dog, and you did it, you fear for your life because you say, yo, you don't want to go, you say you don't want to go there, so because you don't know what will happen. And
crime been
back in the days, it never be like that. It never used to stay them way there, bro. My father come from foreign, my daddy gone all boat. You know, I see him 2-3 days.